How to log in Cash App in minutes. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Cash App account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser in your device. At the top search bar, just type in cash.app, then you will land onto its official website. As you do so, you will see login on your top right. Click onto the login icon. And here, simply enter your phone number to get started. If you don't have your phone number, you can also get logged in through your email address. To do that, tap on Use Email. Now at the given box, simply type in your email address and tap on to Next. Here, a code will be sent to your registered email address. Type in the confirmation code and tap on to Next. And just like so, you will get logged into your Cash App account in minutes. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If this video had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, like this video and hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.